Okay guys, ever wanted a way to answer common product questions right on the page without customers scrolling away to search for answers? Well, this section keeps everything organized and right where they need it. Today we're adding this Accordion section to your store. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for SK Accordion number 2. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Go to the product section or wherever you want to add this, then click Add Section, type SK Trust Accordion, and choose that section. It'll be added instantly and its settings open up on the left side. It doesn't land in the right spot right away though, so let's drag it up to where I want it placed. There are 3 different layout options here. You can use any one, but I'll go with the second one for now. Below that is the width, already set to max, and then there's padding for all devices. Below that, there's size and a few more settings you can adjust based on your own store. And lastly, there are colors too. I'll adjust those as well. Now let's close this and click on any FAQ item. Its settings open up too. First, there's an icon tab where you can upload your own custom icon. I don't have one ready right now, so I'll just add a random one to show you how it works. But you'll want to add one that fits the section size perfectly. Below that, you'll find a question and answer, where you'll add frequently asked questions and their answers related to your own product and store. You'll go ahead and prepare all the FAQ items this same way, one by one. Once you're done with all that, hit save, and this section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.